every minute, the news media sells millions of page views. How do they make sure the right news reaches the right audience? Findability Sciences, an award-winning enterprise AI company, helps the Hindustan Times digital streams group increase reader engagement through data-driven personalization of news. As key partners to the HD, AI, and data science team, Findability Sciences partnered with Hindustan Times to work on three main strategies. Similar stories, to show similar content-based recommendations. Recommended for you stories, to show user-based recommendations. A mix of similar stories and recommended for you stories. With the right blend of automation and real-time website personalization, the Hindustan Times Group has recorded a massive increase in its click-through rates.
FS has been supporting HT in its AI initiatives. These initiatives mostly are focused on revenue generation. I'm extremely impressed, satisfied with the talent that FS brings to the table. The team is extremely skilled, diligent, highly accountable, and I love working with them. In terms of impact that we have generated together, and in a number of widgets, we have seen about 100% improvement in their CTRs. And as I said, already they are focused on revenue generation, right? And we are already seeing impact there.
It was the partnership approach that we followed from the day when we started working together. Our teams also integrated very well, and we were also able to co-create solutions that has resulted in real value for the ST media.